Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you join us as we uncover the secrets of Arturo Molina Gutiérrez. Arturo Molina Gutiérrez, born 1964, is a Mexican scientist, researcher, and academic. As we transition, let's shed light on biography and its relevance to our ongoing exploration. Arturo Molina was born in Oaxaca de Juarez, Oaxaca in 1964. He is the son of Dr. Arturo Molina Sosa. He is a computer sciences engineer and holds a master's degree in computer science from Tec de Monterrey, Campus Monterrey. He holds a Ph.D. in mechanics from the Budapest University of Technology and Economics and a Ph.D. in manufacturing systems from Loughborough University in England. He was the founder and director of the Institute of Advanced Material for Sustainable Manufacturing at Tec de Monterrey. He is currently CTO, Chief Technology Officer of the company IECOS Wikiscom. Let's now venture into the realm of academy and explore the fascinating intricacies it holds. Arturo Molina is a research professor at the Instituto Tecnológico Nacional de Mexico, Instituto Tecnológico de Tehuac, Mexico. He was a research professor at the Monterrey Institute of Technology and Higher Education. He was a visiting professor and researcher in mechanical engineering at the University of California, Berkeley, sponsored by the UCMEXUSCONACYT from 2003 to 2004. Since 2013, he has maintained a course within the Cursor platform where he teaches the subject of rapid development of innovative products for emerging markets. From there and over the years, he has contributed to the training of more than 55,000 students from more than 118 different countries. Moving forward, we'll be taking a closer look at lines of scientific research. His research areas include concurrent engineering, lifecycle engineering, information models for design and manufacturing, digital technologies for the design and manufacture of materials, products, manufacturing processes, manufacturing systems, and supply chains. The scientific contribution of Dr. Arturo Molina Gutiérrez as a research professor at Tecnológico de Monterrey has allowed him to be included in the list of the world's top 2% scientists of Stanford University. This production includes 368 publications, which have received 3,705 citations without self-citations. Google Scholar registered 11,353. From 2013 to 2022, its FWCI is 1.71, H-index 33. Dr. Molina has been very active, publishing 19 books in prestigious publishers Springer, CRC Press, Kluwer Academic Press. He has also developed technology and has managed to obtain 4 patents in Mexico with the transfer of a multifunctional micromachine to various educational institutions in Mexico and Costa Rica. He has advised 73 master's theses and 13 doctoral theses at the Tecnológico de Monterrey campus and Mexico City campus. Our focus now turns to scientific contributions, an important aspect of our discussion. The most important scientific technological contributions of Dr. Molina are 3. 1. Models of collaborative networks based on information technologies with projects funded by IBM, Inter-American Bank of Development and Europe. The publication of more than 20 articles and with more than 2,510 citations. Source: Google Scholar. The training of 15 master's students and 2 Ph.D. students. These models have made it possible to create scientific technological company IECOS Wikiscom and the publication of 3 very relevant articles with a high number of citations. A. B. C. 2. The creation of the concept of systems sensing, smart and sustainable that has evolved into social, sustainable, sensing, smart and safe that allowed the financing of the CONACYTSENER project 266,632 by National Laboratory for the Intelligent Management of Energy Sustainability and Technological Training, with results of great impact in the training of specialized people, generation of publications and books, patents and technological developments. The training of 5 master's students and 2 Ph.D. students. in addition to the results of the binational laboratory projects listed below. The concept of systems sensing, smart and sustainable has allowed the publication of the following 3 articles with a high number of citations. C. The publication of 2 books by Springer. B. The concept of social, sustainable, sensing, smart and safe has made it possible to publish the following articles. 3. The development of educational models of active learning and entrepreneurship using the concept of open innovation laboratory and development of the educational multifunctional micro-machine funded by the Research Chair NOBUS Consortium UNAM Tech, which have been transferred to CONALEP Tecnológico Nacional de Mexico, UNAM and Tec de Monterrey Tech 21 model improving the quality of engineering education. Receiving awards from QS Imagine in 2018 and 2021. The generation of 2 patents granted. A. Molina, A. Miranda, J. Tello, J.G. Ramirez, M.J. Reconfigurable Micro Machine Tool. Patent granted. Patent No. 359,865. Mexico. Owner, Tecnológico de Monterrey. 2018. E. Ramirez, M.J. Molina, A. O. Garduo, Fahrenheit. Reconfigurable numerical control system for the automatic operation of reconfigurable micro-machine tools. Patent granted. Patent number 337,276. Mexico. Owner, Tecnológico de Monterrey. 2015. The publication of 2 articles with high number of citations. B. Without further ado, let's move on to the topic of consulting. Dr. Molina has worked as a consultant for the World Bank and the Inter-American Development Bank. He was a member of the United Nations Information and Communication Technologies Task Force and part of the IFAC International Federation of Automatic Control EIFIP International Federation of Information Processing. Molina has also served on the editorial boards of the Annals of Review of Control, International Journal of Sustainable Engineering, Food and Energy Security, and International Journal of Computer Integrated Manufacturing. In 2012, he was a speaker at the Mexican Senate where he presented issues related to the energy reform Mexico. From 2014-2018, he was part of the Nuevo Lean Energy Development Council and served on the board of directors of the National Institute of Clean Electricity and Energy. Let's now venture into the realm of entrepreneurship and explore the fascinating intricacies it holds. He has founded 3 technology-based companies, IECOS Integration Engineering and Construction Systems Wikiscom, in which he holds the position of CTO Chief Technology Officer, SMES Solutions for Manufacturing Enterprise Systems, and ALBIOMAR Walbiumcom. With the groundwork laid, let's now examine recognitions and its connections to our previous discussions. Molina's work has been recognized with level III affiliation in the National System of Researchers in Mexico. A selection of prizes includes 2023 Milo Garza Insignia Award for Career in Research, Xinax and Tecnológico de Monterrey. 2020 PROV 2020 21st IFIPS OCOLNET Award for the Best Certified Work for the Work, Collaborative Networks to Enable Innovation and Entrepreneurship through Open Innovation Centers, the Entrepreneurship Learning Center of Mexico City, co-authors Jonathan Miranda, Jose Bernardo Rosas Fernandez and Arturo Molina. 2021 QS Rimogen Education Nurturing Employability Gold Award for Education for Platform to Foster Innovations and Entrepreneurship for All. 2018 Award, QS Rimogen Education Nurturing Employability Gold Award, Major Category Award. The QS Wharton Rimogen Education Awards celebrate and reward the world's most successful educational innovations that improve student learning outcomes and employability. 2018 Award, QS Rimogen Education Nurturing Employability, Silver Award. The Q.S. Wharton Remagen Education Awards celebrate and reward the world's most successful educational innovations that improve student learning outcomes and employability. 2017 Best Paper Award, ICHE 2017, 19th International Conference on Higher Education, London, UK, for the paper Open Innovation Lab for the Rapid Realization of Sensing, Smart and Sustainable Products for Higher Education. 2014 Milo Garza Award, with the recognition for scientific articles in indexed journals of high impact factor, with the text collaborative networked organizations concepts and practice in manufacturing enterprises co-authored with Nathal Maragolino Sanchez. 2012, I was decorated by the Government of Hungary with the Order of Merit Award of the Republic of Hungary for contributions to the relationship in science, technology and innovation between the countries of Hungary and Mexico. 2011, IFAC Outstanding Service Award, Important Leadership Positions at IFAC. 2004, IBM SO Grant Award for his research Creative SME. 1999, Milo Garza Award, in the category of publications. 1999, ARIS Award, for his research in the area of business modeling. In this segment, we'll be unraveling the complexities of affiliations and exploring its multifaceted nature. Academia Mexicana de Ciencias, Academia Mexicana de Ingeniería, Academia Mexicana de Computación, International Federation of Information Processing, International Federation of Automatic Control, Member Working Group on Enterprise Integration Architectures, Member Working Group on Cooperation Infrastructure for Virtual Enterprise and Electronic Business, International Editorial Board, International Journal of Computer Integrated Manufacturing, Associate Editors, International Journal of Sustainable Engineering, Advisory Editorial Board, Food and Energy Security, Open Access, Chaired the International Federation for Information Processing IFIPWG 5.12 Architectures for Enterprise Integration to Psa-Site-Zuvilkameitzmumuithebuhome, Chaired del IFACTC 5.3 Integration and Interoperability of Enterprise Systems 2003-2008 to Psa-Zifak Contralog, Chair of Researcher Leader Group Engagement de Universitas 21 U 2019-2022. Co-Chair en el Grupo Climate Change Global Challenge del Worldwide Universities Network 2020-2022. As we venture forward, let's examine the Councils in detail and gain a deeper appreciation for its significance. Academic Board of COURSERA, Nestle Shared Value Board, Board of Directors of the Milo Garza Award of the Tecnológico de Monterrey. Prepare yourself for an in-depth analysis of technology perspective in this section. For Arturo Molina, technological development must be adapted to the needs of each country and its society, especially the most vulnerable communities. The focus of scientific research has to solve social problems through the use of theoretical and practical knowledge. Human and material resources must be identified in each country by researchers. He states that Mexican researchers must be part of the identification of the priority areas of the countries. Let's zoom in on research talent development and understand its implications. In relation to the research talent development, Professor Molina have advised 73 master's theses and 13 doctoral theses. He has been recognized as a professor who leaves a mark on Tecnológico de Monterrey on the 75th and 80th anniversaries. The researchers who participated in the Chair of Intelligent Machine Research are currently SNIS Sistema Nacional de Investigadores. As head of the Strategic Focus on Product Innovation Research Group. As leader of the research group, he has developed, from 2016 to date, 14 research professors. 9 of them have entered the national system of researchers or have risen in the level of recognition. He has advised 3 postdoctoral stays, has graduated 8 students from the doctorate in engineering sciences, 4 from the master's degree in engineering sciences. In conjunction with international peers, he has scheduled 8 research stays for postgraduate students. In addition, Every year I receive more than 50 applications from university students of the Delphin program, an organization that aims to strengthen the culture of collaboration between higher education institutions and research centers by promoting the participation of outstanding students in research projects. In previous years, it has received the following number of students: 6 in 2016, 5 in 2017, 3 in 2018, and 4 in 2019. In this segment, we'll be unraveling the complexities of contributions to Tecnologico de Monterrey and exploring its multifaceted nature. Dr. Molina has taken on different leadership roles during his work at Tecnologico de Monterrey with high-impact results. Dean of the Engineering and Architecture Division of the Monterrey Campus 2004-2006, creation of the Center for Biotechnology, Center for Innovation and Technology Transfer, and Center for Innovation in Design and Technology Evolution of the Center for Manufacturing Systems. Vice Rector for Research and Technological Development 2006-2008, Design of the RADI Strategy Research, Development, Innovation and Incubation, creation of the Technology Parks Business Accelerators Investor Clubs Initiative, development of the Tech's Ownership Policy, Technological Observatory with FEMSA, creation of the CIDEP Center for Innovation and Strategic Product Development in the PIIT. Director of the Mexico City Campus 2008-2011 Mobile Technologies Program for Education and INFREAK Award for the 50 Most Innovative Companies Mobile Learning. Rector of the Metropolitan Area of Mexico City 2011-2013. Planning and creation of the Life Sciences Technology Park with funding from the Ministry of Economy and the Government of Mexico City. Winner of the 2010 Export Award for the Educational Model of Active Learning and Entrepreneurship. Inclusion of Mexico in the Intelligent Manufacturing System Consortium with funding from CONSCYT. Vice Rector for Research, Postgraduate Studies and Continuing Education 2013-2015. Creation of the National Graduate Schools which evolved into the National Schools and the creation of the Vice Rectory for Continuing Education. Vice Rector for Research and Technology Transfer 2015-2021, creation of the Strategy and Program of Research that Transforms Life 2015-2020, recognition of scientific production, relationship with MIT in nanosciences and nanotechnology, UCBT in Information and Communication Technologies, NTU in Advanced Materials and Additive Manufacturing, and ASU Arizona State University in the area of sustainability. Managing to increase the number of SNIS publications and citations. Founder and Director of the Institute of Advanced Materials for Sustainable Manufacturing 2020-2024. The Institute of Advanced Materials for Sustainable Manufacturing IAMSM of Tecnologico de Monterrey is an initiative dedicated to the research and development of sustainable materials and manufacturing processes. Its main objective is to address environmental challenges by creating materials that are socially responsible, sustainable, sensitive, smart and safe, known as materials. Success Investigation Instituto Materials Avanzados para Manufactura Sostenible. Get ready for a captivating exploration as we unravel the layers of books and their profound significance. He has published 19 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. As we enter this new chapter, let's navigate the complexities of refereed publications with the most citations 2019-2024 and unravel its multifaceted nature. Refereed publications with the most citations 2019-2024. With our foundation established, it's time to explore refereed publications with the most citations historical and its relevance to our overarching theme. Refereed publications with the most citations historical. Let's now turn our attention to relevant projects last 10 years and examine its role within the larger context. National Laboratory. He was the technical manager of the project 266,632 National Laboratory for the Intelligent Management of Energy Sustainability and Technological Training, financed by the CONICET SENER Energy Sustainability Fund, which integrates research initiatives, postgraduate training, development and evaluation of competencies for the energy sector, in which more than 128 people participated, including research professors, doctoral students, postdoctoral researchers, and collaborators from the Tecnológico de Monterrey, the National Institute of Electricity and Clean Energy, the Tecnológico Nacional de Mexico campuses Culiacán, La Laguna, Toluca, the Federal Electricity Commission, Arizona State University, and the University of California at Berkeley also participated in this project. These are the results of the binational laboratory project after 4 years. At the postgraduate level, 231 students graduated from the institution's master's degrees and specialties, 20 graduates at the doctoral level, in addition to 11 doctoral students collaborating in short projects to support their doctoral training. 12 MOOC courses were developed in which 143,920 people participated, 17,776 obtained a certificate. 10 labor competency standards registered in CONOCER were developed, 11 courses for competency evaluators were implemented, 397 labor competency evaluators were trained, which supported the evaluation and certification of 10,930 employees of the Federal Electricity Commission. 4 international research networks were created, with the collaboration of 70 universities, research centers, and national and international government entities. 9 research projects were developed that produced 103 scientific articles, 80 presentations at national and international conferences, 4 applied patents, 4 published books, 28 research stays, and more than 112 technical reports of specialized research. In terms of academic infrastructure, 3 decision-making centers for remote laboratories for energy measurement, power control, motors and MOOCs, 4 physical smart grids and a virtual smart grid, 4 reconfigurable microfactories, 1 experimental pilot plant, 1 integrated laboratory for sustainable energy use, 1 integrated laboratory for the generation of electricity from organic livestock waste, 1 power electronics research laboratory, 1 electrical laboratory, 1 cyber-physical systems laboratory. Link to Psenadialubtic Sesha Open Innovation Lab. Tecnológico de Monterrey's Open Innovation Lab is a space that promotes collaborative and multidisciplinary work for the research, design, and development of new product service, not only with internal participants within the institution, but also with external participants such as other universities, companies, and government. This laboratory promotes the use of specific learning teaching techniques, design methodologies, and development of product service to offer solutions with sensing, smart, and sustainable characteristics, as well as offers a technological platform that includes physical and virtual infrastructure for the rapid development of prototypes. Therefore, students are immersed in an open innovation ecosystem that will allow them to generate experiences and knowledge to develop desirable competencies for their professional performance. SECTI Center for Learning in Technological and Social Entrepreneurship. She is the technical manager of the project operation of the Center for Learning in Technological and Social Entrepreneurship of Mexico City CAETSCDMXCN with funding from the Ministry of Education, Science, Technology and Innovation SECTEI of the Government of Mexico City. The operation of this center seeks to promote the entrepreneurship ecosystem in Mexico City through mentoring programs and innovative teaching learning programs, It has been possible to promote 6 technology-based and social companies, 24 entrepreneurship projects in traditional commercial sectors, and implemented training courses in human resources, in which around 80 workshop leaders participated. Through the Citizen Service Centers called PILRES, 2 online courses were created in the MOOC modality, and a mentoring program for academics, researchers, and graduate students to promote scientific entrepreneurship. For reference, books for entrepreneurship were published, and 3 articles indexed in Scopus were also published. It also won the PROVE 2020 International Award, Best Paper Award certificate for the publication Collaborative Networking to Enable Innovation and Entrepreneurship through second SECTEI project. She is technically responsible for the project Technological Entrepreneurship and support for the commercialization of technological products CNSECTI with funding from the Ministry of Education, Science, Technology and Innovation SECTEI of the Government of Mexico City. It corresponds to Phase II of the project CMSECTI. This project seeks to professionalize enterprises belonging to the Center for Development and Technological Innovation CDIT, in addition to providing support for the formalization of business models in the ecosystem. Attention was given to 50 projects, of which 42 had some intervention with Phase II of the CAETS. In addition, 20 projects were evaluated according to their maturity levels: I technological, I intellectual property, I work team, of relationship with their customers, the business model and viability to receive funding. This evaluation identifies areas of opportunity to strengthen in entrepreneurship. Finally, 11 projects received support and work was done on personalized financing strategies, minimum viable product and relationship with decision makers. The projects that received support were instructed in the process of professionalizing their marketing portfolios and the construction of an investment deck for their projects. Endowed Chair Materials of the Future. The Materials of the Future Endowed Chair seeks to transform the industry towards zero emissions through the development of advanced materials with the characteristics of being social, person-centered, sustainable, sensing, smart, intelligent, and safe. Our future depends on the materials we create, how we create them, and how we use them. The materials of the future must meet 5 main principles to advance humanity's progress without putting it at risk. Social, person-centered, designed to respond to people's needs, improving lives and adding to their well-being. Sustainable, they belong to a circular economy cycle. Their use does not alter the balance with the environment and natural resource systems. Sensing, materials capable of detecting physical, structural, biological and other environmental variables, and evoking sensory perceptions, with the ability to record parameters: temperature, electrical conductivity, movement, chemical elements, aging, odors, etc., and produce data for analysis. Smart, intelligent, able to react and adapt to stimulus to change its characteristics and functionality according to the circumstances of its environment, for example, self-repair or self-deform. Safe materials for people and their communities. The Materials of the Future Endowed Chair has developed, through interdisciplinary research and technological development, the knowledge and technologies necessary to create and transform materials used by industry for the benefit of humanity, and to counteract adverse effects generated by current materials. The development generated responds to needs identified by society. The invention process supports the development of highly specialized talent, generation of knowledge, intellectual property, licensing of technologies, and technology-based entrepreneurship with a social perspective. This program has been funded by FEMSA Foundation under the Agreement of Endowed Chair with Tecnológico de Monterrey. Remember to follow me on social media for behind-the-scenes content and updates.